Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you how to import production order in SAP Business One. You may encounter a lot of situations when you want to import the production orders in SAP Business One. An example is at the time of go live, at the cutover period, you want to import the ongoing production orders in SAP Business One, or your customer or you have a third-party production planning tool which is used and you export data from there and you want to import it in SAP Business One. The process to import the production order is very simple. There is no rocket science. First of all, you need to find the DTW template. You can find it in the C drive on the PC where DTW is installed. And in most of cases, you need only the header template. You don't need the rows template. And the fields which are required in the header template are item number. This is the item code of the parent item, the item which you are going to produce. Production order status. In most of cases, you will import the planned production orders. So you have to use the value BOPOS planned in the status field. Production order type. So S is for standard, P is for special production order, and D is for the assembly production order. Then the planned quantity of the production order. Posting date. Please keep in mind the date format should be year, month, and day, and the due date of production order and remarks. If you have any user-defined fields, you can add in the template and definitely you can export it. You don't need the rows template because in most of cases, uh, there is no need to change the quantities of the component. System automatically update them according to the quantity of the parent item. So this is about the templates. Once the templates are ready, you have to save them in TXT or CSV format, and it's always recommended to try the template in the test database before you proceed to the live database. And once the data is imported in SAP Business One, then you can use the open item list to release the production order in bulk. Let's have a system demo. So you can find the DTW templates in the PC where DTW is installed on the C drive. Program files, SAP, and DTW templates, production, and then the production order. So the template you need for the production order header is OWOR, and for the rows it's WOR1 and WOR4. Normally, there is no need to have template for the rows because you already have bill of materials in the system. Please keep in mind if you are importing production order with type standard, with type special, sorry, then you need the rows template because the special production orders usually don't have bill of materials. So here is my template. Let me just open it and show you. I have the parent item code, I have the status, I have the production order type S, I have the quantity, posting date, due date, and remarks. Since I'm creating new production orders, so I don't need to mention the document entry. I'll simply save it as txt and I'll go to data transfer workbench. Simply login. Once I'm logged in, I'll click on import, transactional data, add new data, production orders. I'll choose the production order header and choose the file which I saved. I'll just have a look on the mapping. Everything looks great, and I'll simulate before I do the final import, so I'll find out if there are any errors. There is no error. So I'll simply, before I import, let me show you the production order number in my database is 170, the current number. So now I'll import it. So three production orders have been imported. So if I reopen, I can see the new number is 173. If I go back to the number 170 and 171, I can see, so the 170 is for the item P1 0004, quantity 5, and start date is 1st of April, due date is 30th of April. And if I look at the remarks, I have remarks test. Similarly, number 171 and number 172. And if you look at the components, it's standard behavior. SAP reads the components information from bill of material and calculates the planned quantity according to the quantity of the parent item. So once those production orders are imported and you want to release them in bulk, you can simply go to open item list and choose here production orders and choose here planned, and then you can select 170, 71, 72 and change to released. You can even cancel from open item list also. So once I click yes, if I go to 171, I can see it's released. So that's all about importing production orders. Thank you very much. Please like, subscribe and share.